I'm lazy, you fucking. I only got one fucking foot.
Oh, I'm going crooked.
Don't go. You're doing it fucking manual. You're holding a battery-powered operated machinery tool.
Works, right?
Alright, hit the button.
Yeah, you hit the button.
You gotta push the little. There you go.
See? Mr. Angry Person. I just stroked it a little bit longer, dude, and it fucking fired right up for me.
He recorded it. Big enough for
Hey, hold on, let me swing the hatchet. Hold still.
Yeah, let him swing the hatchet one time.
Okay.
Oh, this should be interesting.
I'm busy.
Wait, I'm gonna help you.
Jesus, holy fuck, dude. This is... Ah!
Hit it up top. No, there you go.